Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Subaru WRX cabin air filter. First, you'll need to access the glove box. Open it and gently press in on the sides to release the stops. This allows the glove box to swing down further, revealing the filter housing behind it. Make sure you have your new filter ready, and remember to check its airflow direction before you begin. To start, ensure your glove box is completely empty. Then, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to release the small plastic stops. This action allows the glove box to swing down further, giving you full access. Behind it, you will see a rectangular housing. Unclip the 2 or 3 latches holding its cover in place to reveal the filter. Once the housing cover is off, carefully pull the old cabin air filter straight out. Take a moment to observe the airflow arrow on the old filter. This is crucial for correct installation. Now, grab your new filter and ensure its airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one, typically downwards. Gently slide the new filter into the housing until it's fully seated. With the new filter in place, reattach the housing cover, making sure all clips snap securely. Next, lift the glove box and push its sides inward again to guide it past the stops. Gently push it up until it clicks back into its normal closed position. Test that it opens and closes smoothly. For optimal air quality, consider replacing your cabin air filter every 12,000 miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.